Want to take a guess where we are? Happy Thanksgiving. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. We are at Carolina Pines. Once again, spending Thanksgiving weekend here. It's beautiful. It's about 70 degrees. Sun shining. We left home, it was 35. Yep, Carolina Pines. How relaxing is this? So yeah, it's Turkey Day tomorrow. We're here for 4 or 5 days. Hey, why don't you subscribe to this channel? Help us out some. Give us a thumbs up. Look, she's mad because I got the camera out. Oh well. So I had kind of a strange day today. Got up at 4, couldn't get back to sleep. Ended up getting a little bit of a migraine. But what's strange about it is, about a half hour before we got here, I actually got another migraine. I get the blurry vision where I can't quite see, so it was a fun ride. Here's Rocky. So I'm just kind of taking it slow right now until this headache goes away. But Maddie and Dawn are headed over here to play some putt-putt, so we're gonna go over and watch them a little bit. So those two must be playing the, was it George Bush that used to play the quick golf? They are on 17 already, and it hasn't been but 15-20 minutes. They're just zooming right through. We'll probably just head back to the camper for a while. Maddie looks more like she's playing field hockey than putt-putt golf. We just saw this little ladybug on the backseat of our golf cart. Can anyone tell me what he's doing? He's making that brown line all around. What is he doing?
Shoo him off. Is he eating it?
Have no clue what he's doing there. Weird. Let me know in the comments below if you know what that is. Wednesday evening. Let's see what we have in the fridge. Samuel Adams winter pack. It's got 2 of each, a few different beers here. Okay, I know it's not a microbrew, but Samuel Adams is something I've always enjoyed, mostly because they do a lot of different brews all the time for holidays and things like that. And look what Dum Dum did here. Got herself stuck in bungo. Bunjo. Even though it's not a microbrew, they do have a porter, so we're gonna go ahead and try that. All right, we're going hibachi tonight. Just hibachi vegetables, and we're gonna try this sesame ginger skillet sauce. See how that turns out. Just got finished having dinner outside and it started to rain. You can probably see it on my glasses. So we came inside, finished up my porter. We're gonna head over to the pool over here. It's indoors, there's a hot tub and a pool. We drove by, no one's even there, so we're gonna go do that now. Come on with us. And stay tuned, because later on in this episode, we're going to give you some exciting news that we just decided to do when we got here. So stay tuned for that, and come on, join us at the pool. Into the pool and hot tub. And there's not a soul to be had. It's beautiful though, isn't it? Look at this. Oh, Dawn just turned on the bubbles. Here's your little hot tub and there's your pool. And right now the outdoor pool and hot tub are still open also. I don't know if that's year round or what, but they're open right now. We saw people in the hot tub out there. No one was in the pool because it's, you know, in the 70s and kind of cloudy, so.
Feel the
But we're heading in. Got the whole place to ourselves. Maddie once again made her way into the pool. But it's heated, but it's still a little chilly. Of course, the hot tub's nice. Nice and relaxing. May have to spend some of Turkey Day in here too. We leave you with that. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. We're doing a little walk here to get some steps in. Trying to stay as healthy as possible. We'll see how that goes. Take a look at this view here. Looking out over Carolina Pines early in the morning. They just really keep this place nice with the landscaping. Look at the edge work. Of course, I got some beautiful palm trees in here. Look, they just come in. They don't bother with grass seed. They come in and do sod. Pretty sure behind the splash pad here is where they're going to have a lazy river at some point. They even edge the grass everywhere you go. Trying to keep the pace up, keep the heart rate going. It's about the only exercise we seem to get is when we're camping. So stay tuned though for the tip of the trip. I don't know if we've offered a tip of the trip from here yet. Even so, there's always more than one that can be offered, so stay tuned. During the COVID times, you can get food delivered right to your campsite from the restaurant. And Dawn says also alcohol if you'd like. So I guess they'll deliver anything that they sell right to your campsite. Maddie and I just made some cookies out of pie crust. Got those in the oven. Here they are. Getting ready to go in here, and the first batch came out. How are they, Maddie? She's eating them. Dawn? They're so good. I guess kind of remind me of my childhood, probably. We made the decision a while ago that instead of doing a big meal, we would just go out to eat. So that's what we're doing now. We're heading out for Turkey Day dinner, which would be kind of nice just to not have to worry about the cleanup and stuff. So there's the menu, your standard Thanksgiving meal. Dinner is served. Even Maddie's enjoying it. Yum. Well, there you go. 20 minutes after getting to the restaurant, and it's gone. Maddie did pretty good. Except I did eat some of hers too. So let me say, if you're out in the Myrtle Beach area next Thanksgiving, come to the Carolina Roadhouse. Fabulous, absolutely fabulous. Now we'll have our pie and head back to the campground. Thanksgiving evening with a Samuel Adams. Nice fire. And these two in the courtyard here. It's quiet. All the little fire seats are taken up. Hot tub steamy. Well, happy Black Friday morning to you. We decided to come out and do a little shopping. It's later in the morning. It wasn't that bad actually, but I did see remnants of early morning chaos. So my suggestion would be come out at 8 or 9 o'clock when everything's already slowed down. We're gonna head over and grab some breakfast now. Got back to the camper from our little shopping trip. We didn't really get much, but I did finally upgrade my phone. Let me show you here. This is my Note 9 I got a little over 2 years ago, and I actually put that crack in it within a month. And then probably 2 or 3 weeks ago, I did something to it again and took a chunk out of there, and now the screen's starting to act up. Went to Best Buy and was looking at the new Notes and even the S20, and they are a fortune. It's like 50 bucks, 60 bucks a month for 2 years. I just couldn't do it, pay that kind of price, so I went with this FE. It's an S20 FE. So it doesn't have all the features that the other phones have, but it does have the same processing power and the same amount of memory and stuff. So that was my big purchase. That one's only costing me $16 a month rather than $50 or $60 a month. Friday evening now. Dawn's inside cooking dinner. We hooked the TV up outside so we watch a little Impractical Jokers. Of course, Maddie's playing with Bunjo. So after dinner we may go to the hot tub or the pool for a little while, or maybe just get the fire pit going and hang out there. Evening's upon us, having a beer, sitting by the fire as the temperature drops a little, watching some Impractical Jokers still. So we'll catch you in the morning. Good morning, Saturday morning, last day here. It's raining this morning. It's supposed to clear up though, but we had to head out. It's about 9:30, so we decided we wanted to at least head out, take a golf cart ride. Those two are staying nice and dry. I, on the other hand, have this lip dripping right onto me. That's all right. I'll survive. They're supposed to have a lot of activities today, actually. They're gonna do Christmas tree lighting ceremony and some other things, so maybe we'll just catch you up then. They're even doing a blood drive today with the blood mobile. You had to sign up at the office. I wanted to do it, but I'm not too good with needles. I have a tendency to get a little lightheaded sometimes, so I'm a little too nervous to do it, but hopefully a lot of people will show up and donate some blood. The rain has stopped and the show must go on. Big long line for tie-dye t-shirts right now. It is quite chilly compared to yesterday. It felt like middle summer yesterday. Today it feels like fall, you know, end of November. Decided to maybe come in here and do some arcades for a while. We were gonna do bowling, but let me show you. Bowling is packed. I've been out for a while. Maddie thought she was out, and she's actually still playing.
Oh, I was supposed to control that person.
They've started their after Thanksgiving holiday festival tree lighting ceremony. It is packed. They're giving some Spice cider.
That's really good. Spicy.
Snacks. White Russians. We want to say hi and thank you for the subscribers that caught up with us this weekend and stopped and chatted. Thanks for being subscribers and thanks for talking with us. We also wanted to say a special hello to Vaughn and his little daughter. They stopped us to talk for a while, and it was our first request for a selfie. So we took a selfie with him. He was very excited. We want to thank you, Vaughn, for stopping us, and we'll see you around. So what's the time for, Maddie?
Tip of the trip.
And the tip this time is going to be, if you want a long site, stay in section D. Some of those pull-through sites seem to be a little bit longer than like section A here. Also, if you want to save a little bit of money, go ahead and get the gravel site. The premium site, all that does is allow you to park on concrete. On the gravel sites, you're still going to get a concrete pad outside your door. So you can save a little bit money and still have a concrete pad. You just won't be parked on concrete. You'll be parked on nice looking gravel. If you remember earlier in the video there, I said we were going to announce some exciting news. And what is that, Maddie?
We got a site here for 3 months.
Yeah, we took advantage of one of their specials. It's an off-season special where you can book a site for 3 months, leave your camper here, and come and go as you please. So we'll be starting that January 1st, I think.
Make sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, and comment.
Yep, really helps the channel out and keeps us going. All right, we'll see you pretty soon here. We're heading out again next weekend, so we'll be doing a video of that. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.